Hey everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you a 1-minute review of the Silentnight 3-zone memory foam mattress. So I bought this for £143, and I'm surprised to see that it's gone up by about £40 since I bought it. The unboxing was actually very straightforward as it was rolled up, and also I found that it was fire resistant, which is nice to know. This new mattress smell does go after a couple of days. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. As you can see, there are a range of products, and I wanted to go for the thicker version. So if you're going to be sharing this mattress with someone, or just on your own, it is still going to be very comfortable. As you can see, I did a water test, and it doesn't knock the glass over. This mattress may take time for some to get used to, but I had nothing to complain about it, and I would buy this again, so there is my full review. Overall, I'm going to give this 5 out of 5. Apart from that, thanks very much for watching.